Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Our today's topic is Chase ATM fee guide. What is an ATM fee? You will most often incur an ATM fee when you make transfers, cash withdrawals, cash deposits, balance inquiries, or some other transaction at an ATM. If you don't know what does ATM means automated teller machine that is not within your bank or credit union's network. If you are a Chase Bank customer and use a non-Chase ATM in the United States or abroad, Chase will charge you a fee. Chase Bank also charges people who are not customers a fee for the convenience of accessing their checking account or savings account using a Chase Bank machine. As a customer, you have free access to Chase ATMs. How much does a Chase ATM fee cost? Chase ATM service charge different amount for ATM fees depending on if you are conducting a transaction domestically, US, Puerto Rico or the US Virgin Islands, or internationally, anything outside of the US, Puerto Rico or the US Virgin Islands. Domestic ATM fee. Chase customers can expect to pay $2.50 for each out of network ATM transaction made in the US, Puerto Rico or the US Virgin Islands. You may also receive a fee from the operator of the ATM. International out-of-network fee. If you use an international out-of-network ATM, Chase will charge you $5 per withdrawal or $2.50 per transfer or balance inquiry. If you are a Chase customer and use an international ATM, you can also expect foreign exchange rate adjustment fees and fees from the ATM operator. Related fees. Some Chase accounts also include credit card fees or a monthly service fee on checking accounts and savings account. But the fees most closely associated with Chase ATM fees include savings withdrawal limit fees, foreign exchange rate adjustment fees, replacement ATM or debit card fees, overdraft fees. When you are conducting a transaction at an in-network or out-of-network ATM, be aware that you may also get stuck with one of the following fees. Savings withdrawal limit fees. Chase limits you to 6 transfers or withdrawals from your savings account per monthly statement cycle without being charged a fee. If you transfer or withdraw money more than 6 times, the bank will charge you a savings withdrawal limit fee of $5 per transaction. According to Chase's fee schedule, all withdrawals and transfers out of your personal savings account, including those made at branches or Chase ATMs, count toward this fee. You can receive a maximum of 3 savings withdrawal limit fees per monthly statement cycle, adding up to $15 in total. If you have a Chase Premier Savings account, you can get this fee waived if you have a balance of at least $15,000 in the account at the time you withdrew or transferred the money out of the account. Foreign exchange rate adjustment fee. Chase charges a foreign exchange rate adjustment fee when you make a debit purchase, non-ATM cash transactions, or ATM withdrawals in a currency other than US dollars. You will be charged 3% of the withdrawal amount after conversion to US dollars. Financial institutions charge foreign transaction fees to cover the cost of converting your money to foreign currency or passing your money through a foreign financial institution. Foreign transaction fees typically consist of 2 parts: a network fee, the fee to convert your money to a different currency, and an issuing bank fee charged by your financial institution for the service of handling the transaction. The foreign transaction fee may be broken up into several payouts but is typically applied to your account as a single charge. Some account holders with certain accounts are exempt from foreign transaction charge. These accounts include Chase Premier Plus Checking, Chase Sapphire Checking, Chase Private Client Checking, and Chase Private Client Savings. Replacement ATM or debit card fees. If your ATM or debit card has been misplaced or stolen, you can request a replacement card free of charge from Chase. However, if you need the card quickly, you can request that the replacement card be expedited for a total of $5 per card. The best way to avoid a Chase card replacement fee is to find an alternative payment method while you wait for your new card using the standard delivery method. You may also choose to stop by a Chase branch for your new card. Some branches are able to print new cards on site and send you on your way. New card in hand and free on charge. Overdraft fees. If you make a withdrawal or transfer at an ATM when you do not have sufficient funds in your account, you may receive an overdraft fee. In addition to an ATM fee, Chase automatically covers overdraft charge on checks, automatic payments, and recurring debit purchases. In that case, you typically should not receive an overdraft fee on ATM transactions if you do not have sufficient funds in your account. However, if you are opted into overdraft protection, Chase can approve transactions that overdrew your account on everyday debit card transactions. If you are opted into Chase's overdraft protection service, the bank can charge you $30 for each transaction that overdraws your account by more than $5. To avoid being charged overdraft fees on everyday debit card purchases, such as ATM transactions, consider not opting into overdraft protection. Special considerations. With approximately 16,000 Chase ATMs and more than 4,700 branches, savings account and checking accounts are widely accessible for customers. Some Chase accounts benefits from free non-Chase ATM transactions even abroad, and others can receive fee waivers on a certain number of non-Chase ATM transactions each statement period. Please note, you may still receive an ATM operator fee or foreign exchange rate adjustment fee. Chase Premier Plus Checking. Account holder can have 4 fees waived per statement period at non-Chase ATMs. In the US, ATM operator fees and foreign exchange fees may still apply for Chase Premier Plus checking accounts. Chase Premier Platinum Checking. Account holder can have 4 fees waived per statement period at non-Chase ATMs. In the US, ATM operator fees and foreign exchange fees may still apply for Chase Premium Platinum checking accounts. Chase Sapphire Checking. Account holders do not have to pay fees on non-Chase ATM transactions worldwide. Chase also refunds non-Chase ATM fees charged by the ATM owner. Chase Private Client Checking. Account holders do not have to pay fees on non-Chase ATM transactions worldwide. Chase also refunds non-Chase ATM fees charged by the ATM owner. Many banks will waive the non-network ATM fee for customers who keep large balances in higher-tier checking accounts or savings accounts. How to avoid an ATM fee? If you are in a bind and need cash from your savings or checking account on the fly, you might have to use an out-of-network ATM, which will often result in a fee. With a little forethought, though, there are several things that you can do to avoid the costly ATM fees. Stay in network. The best way to avoid an ATM fees is to use a Chase ATM for withdrawals. cash deposits, transfer, and account inquiries. However, this may not always be feasible in your location. So do research ahead of time to determine if you will need cash and if your destination will have an in-network ATM nearby. If you cannot locate an in-network ATM, you may need to withdraw funds before heading to your destination. Additionally, if you need to complete an account inquiry, consider using Chase banking app to check your account balance on the go. Lessen the blow by finding a fee-free ATM. There are fee-free ATMs that don't charge user a fee. However, your bank may still charge for use of the out-of-network machine. In other words, you might still get stuck with one penalty, but you would also be avoiding one. Choose cashback at the store. If you just need some bills to keep in your wallet, opt for cashback next time you check out at the grocery store, gas station, or convenience store. There typically aren't any fees associated with cashback at stores. Get a fee-free checking account. Chase Premium Plus Checking, Sapphire Checking, Private Client Checking, and other Chase accounts may offer limited or unlimited fee-free transactions at non-Chase ATMs in the US and or abroad. You can look into opening one of these checking accounts if you are constantly racking up ATM fees. How to get an ATM fee refund? When it comes to your checking and saving accounts, much of the banking activity that you do will not directly impact your credit score. However, a fee here and a fee there can really add up. So it's important that you take control of your finance and negotiate these penalties when you are able to. You may be able to negotiate a fee refund by contacting Chase customer service. There are a few things that you should remember when negotiating an ATM fee refund. Prepare your information and introduce yourself. Be ready to provide your name, bank account number, card number, and the fees that you would like to negotiate. You can start by saying, "Hi, my name is your name and I recently received an ATM fee. I'm contacting you to see if you would be willing to issue me a refund." Prepare your points of leverage. If you are experiencing financial hardship due to pandemic or this is your first Chase ATM fee refund request for the year, your bank is more likely to work with you. Kindly provide the customer service representative with a valid reason for why you are requesting a refund. Be persistent and patient. If you hear no the first time you requested a refund, try calling again a few days later. You may find that you have better luck with a different representatives. So our last topic is, what is Chase? JP Morgan Chase Bank is an FDIC-insured financial institution that offers financial products and services such as credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, traditional banking, and investment and insurance products. Thanks for watching the full video.